Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado ice cream using blender. Start by prepping your ingredients and freezing avocado chunks so they blend cold and smooth. Measure milk, cream, sweetener, and lime before you begin. Work quickly and keep ingredients chilled to avoid watery texture. Use a spatula to scrape the sides and pulse until creamy for the best scoopable result. I explain ingredient amounts and easy swaps to fit your pantry and taste. Start with 3 ripe avocados, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup cream, and about 1/3 cup sweetener. Use coconut milk instead of cream to go dairy-free or almond milk for a lighter finish. Lime juice and a pinch of salt lift the flavor. Taste and adjust sweetness before blending for the ideal balance. I cover blending technique and finishing touches for perfect texture and flavor. Add frozen avocado and liquids, then pulse in short bursts, scraping down the sides to ensure even mixing. Gradually add milk to control thickness while blending until silky and smooth. Transfer to a freezer-safe container and chill until scoopable, or enjoy soft serve immediately. A quick squeeze of lime before serving brightens each scoop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.